How I made $15 on Fiverr in 24 hours, a complete beginner's step-by-step guide. Starting on Fiverr feels overwhelming at first. However, the process becomes simple with the right steps. I created my account within minutes. Then, I focused on building a strong profile. First, I added a clear profile picture. Next, I wrote a short and engaging bio. I highlighted my skills and value. As a result, my profile looked professional. After that, I verified my account details. This step builds trust quickly. Therefore, always complete every section properly. Picking the right gig matters the most. I avoided complicated services at first. Instead, I focused on simple and quick tasks. For example, I chose a service I could deliver fast. This included basic writing and small digital tasks. Moreover, I ensured low competition in my niche. Then I researched top sellers. I studied their titles and pricing. Consequently, I understood what buyers wanted. A strong gig attracts buyers instantly, so I crafted a clear and catchy title. I included keywords that people search often. Next, I wrote a short description. I used simple words and direct sentences. Additionally, I explained the benefits clearly. I also added bullet points for easy reading. This improved clarity and engagement. As a result, buyers understood my offer quickly. Finally, I uploaded a clean gig image. A simple design works best. Therefore, avoid clutter and keep it readable. Pricing plays a key role in early success. I started with a low price. This helped me attract my first beer quickly. I set my gig at $5 initially. However, I added extras for additional value. Consequently, I increased my earning potential. For example, I offered faster delivery as an upgrade. I also included additional revisions as paid extras. This strategy worked effectively. As a result, I earned $15 from one order. New gigs need visibility fast, so I shared my gig link on social media. I used WhatsApp and Facebook groups. Additionally, I reached out to potential clients directly. I kept my message short and polite. Therefore, I avoided sounding spammy. I also optimized my gig with keywords. This improved search ranking within Fiverr. As a result, my gig started getting impressions quickly. Getting the first order feels exciting. I received a message from a beer within hours. I responded immediately and professionally. Quick replies increase trust, therefore, always stay active. The beer asked a few questions. I answered clearly and confidently. Consequently, the beer placed the order. This moment proved that speed matters. Delivery quality determines your success. I completed the task before the deadline. I ensured the work met the beer's expectations. Additionally, I double-checked for errors. Then, I delivered with a short message. I thanked the beer politely. As a result, the beer felt satisfied. Although the base price was $5, extras increased the total. The beer selected additional services. This boosted my earnings to $15. Therefore, upselling works effectively even for beginners. Moreover, the beer left a positive review. This improved my credibility instantly. The first day taught valuable lessons. First, action beats perfection. Start quickly and improve later. Second, communication builds trust fast. Always respond politely and clearly. Third, pricing strategy matters greatly. Low entry pricing attracts early buyers. Finally, consistency drives long-term success. Keep improving your gigs daily. You can achieve similar results easily. First, choose a simple service, then create a clear gig. Next, price competitively to attract buyers. After that, promote your gig actively. Most importantly, deliver quality work fast. This builds strong reviews and repeat clients. Making your first money on Fiverr feels rewarding. However, it requires action and focus. I earned $15 within 24 hours by following simple steps. Therefore, anyone can do the same. Start today with confidence. Stay consistent and improve daily. Your first Fiverr income is closer than you think.